All right, let's go straight to the point on how to use the MetaMask wallet. Okay, this is my MetaMask wallet. I've already downloaded it. Okay, but if you don't have it, what you just need to do is just to go to your Apple Store or your Play Store. Okay, then once you get there, if you go to your Apple Store, you can click on search and search the MetaMask. Once you press Meta, it will come at MetaMask. Now, don't download any other one aside this particular one that has this one now. Okay, if you see any other one, then know that it is not the real one. So this is what I'm going to use because I have it on my phone. That is why I saw this open. This open you are seeing here is because it's already on my phone. But if not, it will look like this. It will look like this, like install. Then you now have to install it to your phone. So let's move over to how to set up your MetaMask, because that is where I'm going to teach you some good coins to buy from there that has good potential of giving you up to 1,000 of your investment, times 100 of your investment and the rest of it. So go ahead and download the MetaMask wallet. Then the next thing you do, you open the wallet. It's very easy to set up. All right. So as we're waiting for it to open, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop video on cryptocurrency, you'll be notified. All right. So now this is the first place you will see. Now the next thing you need to know is that if you already have a MetaMask wallet before, there is a 12 phrase they give you, 12 word they give you. Then what you need to do is just to come here and import it. Click on this import. If you click on this import, now they will tell you to, okay, watch. If you click on import, then you agree. If you agree, then you mark this I agree, then go down to read the terms and then accept it. Then this is where you put your password and then put that 12 phrase which they gave you, right? Then you can now import your wallet. But we are going over to starting a new wallet entirely. Okay, so I'll click on get started, then I'll click on create new wallet. Click on this create new wallet. Okay, so if you click on it, it will open to this place. So we have 3 stages of it. The first stage is to set up our password. The second stage is to set our secure the wallet. Okay, then the next one is to confirm our phrase. Once you're done with these 3 things, your wallet is set to be used. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to set our password. Now the password you have to use is 8 characters. Look at where they wrote it. It's supposed to be what? 8 characters. Okay, it must be at least 8 characters. So for you not to forget, don't just use any word at all. For you not to forget the word you are using, what you need to do is to use the word of somebody that is so dear to you. Okay, for example, your wife, your child, your mom, your girlfriend, anybody, even your pet, anybody's name that is up to 8 character. In this case, I'm going to use my son's name, which is King David. So let us use King David. I have King, K-I-N-G, David. Okay, you click on this show to see. Please click on this show so that you will be seeing what you are pressing to know if it is really correct, because when you make mistake, you may be putting in the password and it is not exactly what you said. So I'll click on show to be seeing that I'm correct with what I'm spelling, King David. Now once you are done with typing the person's name, the next thing to do to make your password strong is to put either any of these case. Me, I like using dollar because I'm talking about money here. I can use $1 to make it strong, okay? Or dollar the year they gave birth to him. I can say dollar 2023, or I will say at 2023, okay? So just use the person's name, then at, you can just put 1 or at the year they gave birth to him. It will help you not to forget it at all. So you repeat it here again, King David, $1, right? So the next thing, they will mark good for you, showing you that it corresponds with the first one that you put. So the next thing to do is to click on this, check on this box here. Okay, this box here now, check on it, this one. Okay, once you check on the box, so the next thing you have to do, check on the box. The next thing you have to do is to create the wallet. It will not take time. Like they say, creating your wallet, this shouldn't take long, and you need to have a very strong network. All right, I hope my network is not frustrating. Please click on the subscribe button. I'll be giving you updates on recent coins and the best coins to buy. Okay, now the next thing to do, we are done with the first one. As you can see here, we are done with the first one. So we now moved over to the second one now. So in this second one is the main place that you need to be very, very careful. All right, so let's go by clicking on start. Click on this start. You click on this start. Okay, so you click on start, then you click on start again. You click on start, then they will now ask you to put in that your password to confirm that you are the one. So remember, my password is David $1. Okay, I'll now press confirm. Once you press confirm, they say tap to review. You can decide, okay, let's review. Now, this is the most important place you need to be very careful with. This 12 phrase now they gave us here is very, very important. Once you lose this, your 12 phrases now, you can never recover this wallet again and your money is gone. That is if you have money inside of it. So what you do is you write it down and keep it safe, all right? And keep it away from people, because once anybody have access to this your 12 phrase, they can use it to log into your wallet in their phone and then probably take away your money. So you don't expose this 12 phrase to anybody at all, be it anybody. You keep it to yourself. But then you need to write it out, because they are going to ask you the 12 phrase again. So in this case, let me just snap it and then we'll go over to the next thing. Okay, let me just snap it. But please don't snap it and don't keep it in your phone, because anybody can get access to it in your phone. You may just give somebody your phone and maybe the person is watching your picture and the person sees this 12 phrase. They will just send it to their own phone. Some can even cram it and then open your wallet in their phone and then take your money. So the next thing we do is we press continue. Once you press continue now, they will now scatter the 12 phrase and ask you to arrange it the way they gave it to you in the first place. That is why you have to write it accordingly when you are writing it down. So the first thing from my own is acquire. The next one is home. The next one is fatigue. The next one is rose. So the next one after rose, what's the next one here? Earth. My phone is hanging. So I have, oh, okay, sorry. I have rose. After rose, I'm going to have earth. Where is earth? Earth. After earth, I have vacant. After vacant, I have fiscal. Then this suspect. You'll be putting accordingly. That is why you have to write it down accordingly. Then once you are done with it, deny. Number 11 is deny. Then number 12 is wrong way. Okay, they'll tell you success. Then let us complete the backup. They'll tell you congratulations, you are okay. You now press done. Once you press done, your wallet is set. Your wallet is set. Now notice, let me just take you around. They say enable security check. Maybe we can do this later. Let's do this one later. Okay, or you can just you can enable it, automatic security check. You can enable it, or just let us do that later. Now I want to show you around. Let me teach you some things about this. Even if you press that door, they will take you around, showing you everything you need to know about it. But let me just show you some little things you need to know. Now firstly, the wallet you created is an Ethereum wallet. Look at it here. Is an Ethereum wallet. If you want to create any other wallet, you can just click on that place. Like the wallet, the wallet we are going to be using is a core wallet to buy the coin I'm going to advise you to buy. All right, but here we have created an Ethereum wallet. For us to create another wallet, I will just click on this add network. The network we are going to use is core network, but that should be in the next video. All right, so in this video is just how to set it up, and I believe that you can do this perfectly. It's very, very simple. So you can click on setting. Look at setting here. At the bottom right hand side is the setting. Okay, at the bottom right hand side is the setting. You can click on setting and then check your general setting and any other thing. But without checking any setting here, you don't even need to set anything here. All right, once the account is created, then you are good to go. Let's move to the next one in the next video, where I'll be teaching you how to import your core Wallet. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for every update on cryptocurrency, both mining and airdrops. Bye bye.